Hello students, today we are going to do question number 6 of exercise 1.1, unit 1, integers for class 7. So here is the question number 6. Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to the point B. That one girl, Rita, she is going 20 kilometers towards east direction. This is east direction, this is the west direction. So she is going 20 kilometer towards east from a point A to point B. From B, she moves 30 kilometer towards west along the same road. So after reaching at the point B, Rita moves again 30 kilometer towards the west direction. So now she is moving towards west direction 30 kilometer from point B towards west direction. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west direction? So they are saying that if the distance traveled towards east, that if we are representing this distance that is traveled towards east direction by positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards the west direction? So it is obvious that east and west are opposite to each other. So if we are taking distance traveled towards east with positive integer, then we will represent the distance traveled towards west direction by negative integer. So here we will represent this distance by negative integer. So first of all, write down this answer, that we will represent distance traveled towards west by negative integer. Okay. Now further, by which integer will you represent her final position from A? That means first she moves from point A to point B. Then again from point B to west direction she traveled 30 kilometers. So this is her final position. This is her final position. So we are to find out this total distance that she has traveled from first A to B, then B to this point. Okay, and then we will check that it is represented by which integer. For that we will write her final position from A, it is equal to distance traveled to east direction plus distance traveled to west direction. Because we have represented this distance by positive integer, so we will write here plus 20. Travel towards east, that is plus 20. Then plus distance traveled towards west, that is represented by minus sign. So this distance will be from B to this point, it will be minus 30. So it will be minus 30. 20 plus minus 30. This is positive, this is negative, and we will find its total, because first she moved A to B, then B to this point. So we will find the total distance traveled by her. And now there is plus minus. Two signs are together, plus and minus. So that will be converted into one sign only, it is minus. So 20 minus 30. Now we cannot subtract 30 from 20, so we will subtract 20 from 30, then we will put the sign according to the greater number. So that will be 10, and because 30 is greater and its sign is minus, so we'll put here minus. So this is our final position, minus 10 kilometer. So this is the answer of question number 6.